Alright, I haven't made a frittata in a while. Uh-oh, I don't have the red line. Alright. What are we doing tonight? We had some leftover asparagus. Should have cut up more asparagus. But we're using broccoli rabe. We got leftover sugar snaps. We got some of this, some of that, a little bit of everything. Alright, then we need the broccoli rabe. It's almost Passover, and if you don't know, Passover dinner, you need some bitter herbs, bitter green stuff, and this is the best of the best. You can't touch this stuff with a 10-foot pole. This is raw, very well cleaned broccoli rabe. This is my favorite green condiment. Perfect. Waste not, want not. Ooh. I need to make a frittata playlist. I need to make a fish tank playlist. Alright, we're going to egg this up. A quick pause. Alright, I finished up my eggs. Always pop your yolks. What were these, large? Grade A large eggs. Didn't even count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Ooh. Alright, we got some leftover sugar snaps. Don't like the way that looked. These are going to add that crunch factor. So I know that when I cook this, they're not going to cook all the way through. Nice thing about sugar snaps, they keep their crunch. One there and one there. All right. We got the Ziploc. We diced up some ham, and we're going to take half the ham and stick it back into that Ziploc, because this is a half pound of ham. Like this one was a hickory smoked one. We'll use the ham for something else another time. We'll Ziploc that up. We're just using the ham for flavor. I'm sorry, my Muslim and Jewish subscribers, but it is what it is. I like ham. I cook with it. You know, you may think bad things of me. I don't have a halal kitchen, a kosher kitchen. But when I do the ham, I do it kosher. This was pre-cooked. I have heard that ham is called brain food by some cultures. And if you're on my channel, you already know. Blind people in China can see again because they've had their corneas replaced with what? DNA stripped corneas. Stop, you're playing. No, for real. they can see because of pig corneas. What? You never heard of that? I've heard that humans could actually have a transfusion from pig blood. Pig blood does not cover every type of blood, but it is possible. And last but not least, everybody loves ham and cheese. So, cheese, please. Cheese it up a little. Yeah, that's how we're rolling. And we might even do the frittata flip. Now, if you take the cheese and cut it like that, one more. And that's how we're rolling tonight. That's my dinner. That looks amazing. All right. Love you.